Today, we're on our annual Moab trip. Every time we get ready to do this, I just get excited. Some of my favorite doctor friends come, they bring their families.
You have dentists from other states, other parts of the state, not just our own city. You come in and you say hi and you see them and you talk about old times and the other things that we've had. That camaraderie doesn't usually happen in dentistry. Dentistry, a lot of times, is solitary. You know, you have maybe a couple of friends, but I mean, here I know 50, 60 different people that I would have never have known before.
It's always fun, it's always an adventure, and it's always just hanging out with people that you enjoy being with, talking about the things that we're interested in our professional lives and doing things that we love, which is being out here in nature and in Moab.
We just enjoy the outdoors and off-roading, and love being together with Whitecap. And
when I heard that Whitecap actually had a CE course in Moab, I was all in from the beginning, and I have loved it. I've been here 3 years.
Just always looking for a great excuse to get out and enjoy Moab.
We're on the Poison Spider Trail, and we're just crawling over boulders and having a good old time.
We always do a couple trails in the razors. Those who are bikers, we always go on a bike ride.
For me personally, I really liked the lecture itself. That was kind of my favorite part, but I'm kind of a CE junkie, so like any really good information I just cling to and really enjoy that. The whitewater rafting was really fun though. I really enjoyed doing that.
We always do activity, and then we always have a dinner, and then we always have basically CE from PK and Riley and Whitecap.
Everybody's bringing different tidbits of knowledge, different ways of helping. Always take things back to my practice that I can use on Monday morning, which is huge for me.
There's always something new to learn. People are extremely friendly.
Whitecap has changed my practice. It has changed the way I do dentistry. It's changed the way I think about dentistry. It's enhanced what I've always wanted to do in dentistry with surgery and implants, bone grafting. In turn, you know, the practice improves lifestyle.
I just love being able to talk shop and be able to get out and enjoy the outdoors.
And there's the dental convention, for heaven's sakes. Look at where we're at. I mean, you just have fun playing and doing and watching people and maybe giving some suggestions of how to come up this hill or don't get caught in that hole, you know. I mean, it's just fun.
These activities just kind of gel you together, not just as dental colleague professionals, but as friends.
We want to get a little outside the box. We want to connect with our doctor friends. We want to rally commitment for patient care, and Moab is one way we do that.
I've been doing this with Whitecap for many years and look forward to many more to come.